A lot of people are making barely anything on Instagram, and they blame the algorithm, they blame other people, they blame the method, they blame a ton of things. But what they never do is blame themselves. And on this video, I'm gonna show you what you're doing wrong that you can actually go ahead and fix and instantly start making more money on your Instagram, because there's absolutely no point of growing Instagram accounts unless you're making money from it, right? Unless it's like your side little hobby, and even if it is just your side little hobby, wouldn't it be cool to make a couple extra $100 to $1,000 per month from it? Of course, who would deny that? So let's get into the video. My name is Anthony. I run an Instagram marketing agency and also run a 1 million follower network on Instagram. And I make videos like this to help you take your Instagram account from 0 to hero. So make sure you subscribe, because this is the Instagram Hub. So how to instantly make more money on Instagram, right? I remember when I was first starting on Instagram, and I kind of thought like the only way to really make money on Instagram was like sell shoutouts to get brand deals. And if we just take brand deals as an example, I always thought, you know, I'll just build my account and I'll build it as fast as I can. I'll try to keep the engagement as high as I can. I'll go ahead, I'll just build it up, I'll build it up. And eventually, right, here's the trick. I thought, and eventually brands are gonna start coming to me. Brands are gonna start wanting to work with me, right? Brands are gonna start shipping me free products, right? That's what I thought. That's what a lot of people think. They think that you just grow your Instagram page and these brands just start finding you. These companies just want to send you free stuff. Well, my friend, if you've been doing that and it hasn't been working for you, then take what I'm about to say very, very seriously, because it is your fault. It's not your fault. No one's ever told you before, but it is your fault, because you could be doing more, and I'm gonna show you how and why you should be doing more. If that's the way you're viewing Instagram, you're viewing Instagram as a defensive sport, right? Your mentality about Instagram is I'm going to grow and grow and grow, and then when people like me, when they see me, they're gonna go ahead and they're gonna follow me. And this is a completely backwards way of thinking, right? Because if you treat your Instagram like a business, and let's say this was a business, right? Let's say you start up a social media marketing agency. You get your website done, you grew your website, you get your service list done, you have all your pamphlets, you have everything you need. Your whole agency is right there. And now you're just gonna wait for clients, right? That makes sense, right? You just built your entire agency, you built the website, you built everything, you built your services, and now the time now comes for waiting for clients to find you and sign with you, right? No, of course not. Of course, that's not how it works. So why would it work with Instagram, right? Why on Instagram would you just build up your Instagram, build up your business, and then just wait for clients? Doesn't work like that. So how do you go ahead and start instantly making money on Instagram? Stop playing Instagram like it's defense. Start playing Instagram like it is offense, because Instagram is offense. It's a loud platform. It's a lot of people out there that also want to get that same brand sponsorship. They also want to get that same brand deal. They want to get that free merch. They want to get that $500 sponsorship post. Business is an offensive sport, and Instagram is offensive because it is a business, right? If you're treating it the proper way, your Instagram is a business. Go out there, start emailing brands, put together a media kit. For the first thing, if you're trying to get brand deals and you don't have a media kit, put together a media kit. Show these brands what you're worth. If a brand were to come to you right now, if Nike were to come to you right now, are you prepared for that? Can you handle that? Can you take that? Do you know what posts you would make? Do you know how long you'd put the link in your bio for? Do you know what stories you would post? Do you kind of know your followers so you can put together a nice strategy for that brand of how you're gonna promote them in a way that you know your followers will like, so it actually helps convert them for sales and that brand will pay you again? Or are you just throwing up a post and just hoping for the best and just expecting brands to pay you because you have a lot of followers? Put together a media kit that's gonna go ahead and show your followers, show your engagement, show the demographic of those followers, show testimonials, show other past work that you've done. Make it an easy close. When someone emails you or when you email somebody, they see, holy crap, this person has clearly a portfolio, they know what we're doing, we want to work with her, or we want to work with him. Once you have that, you can start going on the attack. You want to go ahead, you want to email brands, find brands that you want to work with, find brands on Instagram, whether you're trying to get their merch for free, or whether you're trying to get a sponsored post, whether you're trying to get paid, whatever it is, go out there and start looking. Because what are these brands doing? Not only are they out there looking for influencers, influencers are also contacting them. They're playing it both ways. Brands are out there contacting and being contacted. You are just waiting for contact. You're waiting for somebody to discover you. What if nobody discovers you? What if nobody reaches out to you first, right? You need to reach out to people first. You will grow your Instagram immensely. Right now, if you're getting like one brand deal per month and all you're doing is waiting for different brands to message you, send out 10 emails a day to brands, minimum. 10 emails a day to different brands, and I guarantee you, you're gonna go from 1 brand a month to 20 brand deals per month easily, make a full-time income. And the one change that you had to do, the one single change that you did was simply go on the offense. Stop waiting, start going out there and doing, start going out there and building. That's the one thing you had to do. Another thing that I would say is have some scripted emails, guys, right? If you're gonna go out there and you're gonna go ahead and contact brands, make some nice scripted emails. Don't waste their time, build intrigue, have a good subject line, get them to actually click and open the email, sell them on why they should work with you. If they email you back with questions, have a scripted email that's gonna go ahead and answer all those questions or frequently asked questions. It's gonna save you time. It's gonna be written out nice and professional. It's gonna look good. And then you can go ahead and maybe jump on a call with them or email them, you know, non-scripted, just trying to close the deal that way afterward, okay? Instantly make more money by going ahead and increasing your productivity, going ahead and going on offense. I promise you it's gonna make you more money than anything else. More money than having a better landing page, than having, you know, anything like that. Anything like that, that's gonna go ahead, you taking things into your own hands and taking your own Instagram business to your own hands, that is what is going to go ahead and propel you further than anything else ever could. So go out there and try it, and then let me know. If you start landing brand deals just because you started going on the offensive because of this video, seriously, let me know. Shoot me an email, shoot me a DM, shoot me whatever it is. I want to see results. Now, if you're really struggling on Instagram and like you really don't know what to do, maybe you're not even at the point where you can make money yet, or even if you are, but you just want more information like this, if you thought this video was good, then you want to go ahead and take our webinar. This webinar I just recently put together goes ahead and goes over exactly how to grow your Instagram fast and how to monetize it, even if you have 0 followers, right? This video is kind of about monetizing if you already have an account. And this webinar, I'm gonna show you guys not only how to monetize if you already have an account, but exactly how to monetize if you don't have an account. There's so many different ways to go ahead and grow and monetize on Instagram. I'll leave it linked in the description if you wanna go ahead and check that out. I highly urge all of you to. With all that said, hope you guys had a great day. Like this video if you took some value from it. Let me know what you think in the comments. With all that said, keep grinding, keep hustling, and I'll see you all on the next one.